My God. Hey, y'all. What the hell? Oh my gosh, it's been so long. I literally have not done a YouTube video all 2021. Sorry. But I'm back today here with some wig reviews. You know, I'm always good for the wig review. So today we're gonna be looking at Westkiss. Oh, also disclaimer. Yes, I'm sorry, I was gone forever. Your girl moved from Chicago to LA. Period. We out here now trying to do the acting, the singing thing. And you know, LA is expensive, so gotta keep up that job. Yeah, pay them bills. It's not cheap, honey. It is not. But speaking of non-cheap things, I am here today to discuss Westkiss. We all know what Westkiss is, especially if you've been doing wigs for a little minute. And even though I'm still, you know, in the beginning, baby preteen stages, I definitely have heard of Westkiss. And my birthday just recently passed last week, and I told my boyfriend, if you love me, you're gonna give me a Westkiss wig. Okay? Let's not play, okay? So this one was the Skin Melt HD Lace Wigs in Body Wave with a 13x6 lace front. And it says transparent wig, so I'm guessing that it's referring to the HD lace. It was Body Wave, it was 26 inches. The density is 180%. Cap size, I got it in medium. And the subtotal was $449.74. Y'all know me. That is the most I've ever spent on a wig. And I was like, it's a birthday present. I'm trying to get the nicest shit I can just squeeze out of that guy. So shout out to him. I love you, baby. But yeah, so it did come in this nice satin bag. It did come with 2 wig caps, which you see here. Love that they give those. So yes, they do have the stickers on there to let you know it's HD lace. Shows you the length and the hair type. Came in this plastic bag like so. Lady mesh, as it most usually does. And girl, excuse the state of this wig, because I did take it out and like put it on my head and like prance around in it, because of course you have to. So this is no diss to Westkiss the way I'm bringing it out of this bag right now. It did come in the shaped way that they usually have it for the body wave. But yes, this is her. This is she. This is her. This is she in this body wave. And as you can see, let me try to put the white behind it so you guys can see. As you can see, the wig is pretty pre-plucked, although I will go back in and customize it to my liking. Let me take this stuff out. Yes, the wig is pretty pre-plucked. It comes with these baby hairs in the front. And it is 13x6. So we do have a lot of parting space. And with the lace being advertised as HD, I have had transparent lace before, but I've never had like HD lace before. So I will be honest, I'm not really too sure what I'm looking for. I have looked at those YouTube videos that show you the difference between lace types, which I will try to plug below. I will also plug the link of the hair below as well. There are a little gray hairs. I did just pluck one out because they bother me. I mean, we all know that it's human hair, so it came from somebody, but I am a stickler about picking out those red and gray hairs because I don't have gray hair. Not yet, Lord, not yet. I am going to bleach the knots off camera and pluck a little more off camera, and then I'll come back. Here is the inside. You can see we have that nice big parting space, 6 inches. Love to see it, honey. We do have some lace in the back that of course I will cut off because I don't ever lay it down in the back. I wonder why they do that. There's the adjustable straps at the bottom, and then you have a tag that lets you know it's human hair, and then a comb at the very back nape of your neck, and 2 combs on the side. The hair is soft. Hair is soft, as you can see, but it doesn't feel like anything out of the ordinary that like I couldn't get from AliExpress. I don't know. I mean, of course, this is from AliExpress. I haven't straightened it or anything today, so it is a little untamed. But, and with this not having any product on it, it is very soft and it is nice. Let me see if I get some shedding. I just, for $400, because I've tried to buy from Westkiss before, and I'm like, damn, their wigs are expensive. And I'm looking at all these YouTubers that are getting like gifted the wigs and things like that, and I'm like, okay, I've heard good things about them, but also if you watch non-sponsored videos, there are people that have some cons about their wigs, and so I just wanted to try for myself. I didn't mention my YouTube videos or anything like that, so it's just strictly with my own money, as all of my wigs are. And I don't know. Maybe I'm paying for the name. There's another gray hair here. The gray hairs aren't too much of a thumbs down. I mean, it's kind of like a thumb in the middle because it's what I would expect from any hair company, because I've been buying weave for so long that I know a lot of hair companies will have gray hair in their weaves, and it's just the way the cookie crumbles. We're ordering hair from that used to be on someone's head. Of course they would have gray hair. You know, we bless the hair, we pray over the hair. Ashe. I was saying all that to say it is a little expensive, so I'm just looking forward to seeing how the more expensive wigs hold up in the long run and when I apply it. Here are the ends so y'all can see. You know, I feel like I'm gonna have to use some product to get like the hair not to be I also have to wash it too to get the hair not to be so like untamed with all these different flyaways and stuff. I feel like I can definitely handle these flyaways up top. They're not too bad. This is literally from just like the baby hairs, so I think that's not too bad as well. But I am getting some shedding from running my hands through it. Let me run my hands from top to bottom one time. No shedding there. That might have been just from me plucking out some of the gray hairs and then messing around with the ends. I'll try one more time on this side. Yeah, no shedding again. So nice, nicely made wig so far. I'm going to go ahead and bleach the knots off camera and pluck a little bit. All right, see you soon. All right, so we have her on, y'all. So you know how I was saying I would see why this wig was like cost, how much it cost, and the difference in the lace and stuff when I started to work with it and apply it. Yeah, so I was bleaching the knots, and the lace is truly HD lace, and it's so thin that even though I literally bleached the knots so lightly and just tried to like literally brush it on super lightly, some of the edges got bleached a little too much, and you can see that the bleach started to seep through the lace. I even like immediately saw it right after I started, ran the wig to the bathroom, washed it all out and it wasn't that bad. So I was like, okay, let me try it again, but like literally even lighter. And I made a mistake by trying to do my bleach the knots on my wig head, and it was tight on the wig head, so of course the bleach was seeping through. And so I took it off and did it again, just like holding it up and just like lightly brushing the bleach on there, and it started to seep through again. So I couldn't really bleach the knots as much as I wanted to because I don't want to tie the hair too much lighter. But yo, I'm seeing why Shorty was so much, because y'all look at this. She is long going strong. Y'all, look at this. You can't even. We outside. We outside this summer. We outside. Period. Me and my 26 inches is outside. I have edge controlled my edges back so that I can keep them in this lifetime. This is what she looks like laid down. Now, like I said, I'm not a professional, but y'all, they ain't like. This lace is HD and this skin melts. Honey is melted in the fronts. Melted. Now, I do have, my hairline does come out super freaking far on the side, so it's pretty hard with any wig that I have to bring it up to the front without it, everything having to be up closer and look wiggy and close as hell to my eyebrows. So this side wasn't that bad. You can see here. Let me brush this back a bit. Yep, and so now we're all good here. And I did have to clean up a whole bunch of glue residue, and I'm probably gonna have to put foundation where the wig cap is so you can, to camouflage that. But Shorty is doing it. She's doing it. Now, I haven't done any baby hairs yet. I'm definitely gonna have to do some baby hairs here to camouflage this area. It's just the way that my hairline is. I'm thoroughly impressed with this lace. Now I see what I'm paying for. The length and the bond lace. Honey, what lace? What lace? Alright, so now I'm about to go do my edges and style the wig and then do my makeup. Because pay no attention to my scraggly eyebrows, girl. I knocked them off while I'm trying to clean up this glue around the sides. Disclaimer, y'all, I use too much glue. I use too much glue. Now in the future, I definitely would just apply half as much glue as I did, and then also do it in sections. I've seen videos that have said just cut it into 4 sections and then do each section one by one, and they were exactly right. Trying to do my entire hairline at one time or half and half was even still too much. So I ended up having a lot of glue left around on my skin that wasn't on the hairline. So that did have to be cleaned up and took forever. So yeah, don't do that. And I'll be back with a new face and some brand new hair. New wig, new me. Period. Alright y'all, so this is the final look. And I just wanted to do a straight pushback look for now. I didn't really do too many baby hairs on the side. But yes, girl, let me tell you, I can see why this wig was $450 because shorty is long. The hair is nice. I put heat protectant spray and flat iron spray on this, and it's feeling silky, it's feeling soft. I do wish that I could get it more like compact, like super silky, without like hairs being frayed. But I think I might need to use some different products, some more products. I did use mousse and pump it up spritz on the front to get the hair to stay laid back in my hot comb. But this is what she's giving, and she's giving. I'm like, you feeling it? I'm feeling it. Alright y'all, so I'll be back. Who knows when? I'm sorry. I really didn't let this YouTube thing go, but I will be back. Hope y'all enjoyed this video. Everything will be linked down below. And link up with me, chat with me on my socials. Good. I hope y'all have a fabulous evening or morning or afternoon or whenever you're watching this. And I will see you soon. Peace.
See you soon.